guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. Set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, this will be required to visit photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can miss when we are a part of the property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.